Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today I have my friend with me.
Hi everyone, I'm Callan.
Today we are making rainbow weaving fish. So
Ooh.
my sample that I wove, and we'll show you how to do it in a minute.
Awesome. So the supplies you're gonna need for this are paper, scissors, glue, and markers. But first, let's start off with a breath. So we're going to do a swimming fish breath. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So
All right.
take a deep breath in, and then as you let out, let your fish swim away.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Deep breath in and out. One more time. Deep breath in and out.
Nice. Thank you. That was fun, and that felt very relaxing.
Yes.
Okay, so let me start with the first step. So the first step is you want to take a piece of paper, can be any color. I'm using white, and I see you are too. And you want to cut out the shape of a fish. And remember, if you're using scissors and need some help from a friend or adult, just ask for help. So did you cut yours out already, Callan?
It helped me a lot to trace it first and then cut it out.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And then the next step is you're going to fold it in half like this. And then you want to take your scissors, and I'll do a couple and then hold it up. You want to cut little slits like that. Okay, and you're going to cut them all the way like this. So I'll show you. You just don't want to, you just want to try not to cut the tail off or anything, but if you do, you do. Okay, so, and you pre-cut yours, right?
I did.
Okay.
You can kind of see it a little bit.
Yeah, there we go. So then it looks like that. And then the next thing you want to do is take a bunch of different colors of paper, or you could use one color, really doesn't matter. I have a bunch of different colors, and I cut them into strips. Did you do that part?
I did. I'm using red and orange. The
Ooh,
heat inspired me.
that is a nice color combo.
Yes.
So, and now we weave. And so what you want to do to weave is, I guess I'll show you this way. You want to go over one and under one. And so the back, you just keep pulling it down over one slit and under one. Let's see if this is going
Okay.
to show up right. I think so. So it'll look like this.
Okay.
You're just going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. How's that for you, Callan? Did
Like
that?
this? Or I guess like this?
Yes, perfect. And so then whatever direction you started on the first one, like, see how mine is showing like that? So
Yeah.
the next one you weave, you want to do it the opposite way. So
Okay.
that it's going to show on the top like that. And so you're just going to keep doing over one, under one, over one, under one. And that's basic weaving.
Nice. Okay. I think I'm getting the hang of this.
There we go. So here's what mine looks like so far. And it's fine to just have them any length, because at the end, I'm going to trim mine a little bit to look more like the little fins. How's yours coming? Let's see.
We've got a few so far.
Oh, good, good. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. I really enjoy weaving things. In the past,
Yeah.
I've done, with yarn or paper, whatever it is. It's just really relaxing, and I think these look really good. So each strip that you weave into your fish you're just gonna kind of push it over like that. Is that how yours?
Yes, it is. It's coming. I'm having a little bit of a tough time, but we'll get the hang of it.
Yeah, it just takes a little practice. I'm gonna do one.
Over one, under one.
Yeah, so just if you start over on one, then the next one you start under.
Yes.
And if you're making it and it doesn't look exactly how you want it, first of all, that's okay. And secondly, the beauty of this is it's not like we're gluing it down or anything. So you can always just pull out a strip and start over.
That
So-
is true.
I put one more in there. So I'll go this way. And then, so I'm going to keep going with mine a little bit later. But then the next thing that I did was two things. I put an eye on my fish. And
Okay.
the one I did was just with marker. You could use googly eyes or marker, whatever you want for the eye. And then you can basically just decorate your fish with markers. On this one, I cut out little bits of extra paper I had, and then I glued it around the fish.
I think that looks awesome. That's a
Thank
great idea.
So what you're gonna do when if you want, when you have more of your fish done, is I just trimmed the bottom. I just sort of gave it like a little haircut
Nice. Okay.
to sort of slant upward. It really doesn't matter. It can be any way you want.
Okay. This is my final fish.
Oh, it looks
We
really,
added some green lines. Can't really see, but
oh yeah, that looks good. It's fun to cut the hair, even though it's not really hair. I forgot that I had a joke for you.
what's the joke?
Well, why are fish so easy to weigh?
Why are fish so easy?
I'm gonna
I
tell you,
don't know.
because they have their own scales.
That is a pretty good one. I wasn't expecting that.
Thank you. So I'm gonna finish mine a little bit later, but here's what it will end up looking like pretty much.
Yes.
Oh.
Awesome.
Thank you for doing this with me today.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
Sure. And if you'd like to see some more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.